Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Polly and Paws and Doors and Gems. This will be focused on painting this gem. It is a very easy way to draw it. Make a circle, select the points, and then you connect the points. So if you think of that as a way of making the gem, it's easier, and you select a light source and then it will be darker on one side. Don't forget this is a shiny glass material, so leave white, save some whites so it can pretend to be the shine. And you just have to select the colors and then make a degradé from darker to lighter. Yeah, this one I decided to focus on the gem. I'm almost finishing Polly and Doors. Then I'm going to start February, and February is the month of love, but I don't want to focus on romantic love. To tell the truth, I never like Saint Valentine's Day. I don't like to go to the supermarket and see all the commercial side of it. It makes me sad. I like focusing on love. I love there is an entire month we can celebrate and focus on something good for a change. And it can be the love for your pet, the love for your mother, for your friends, for your families, from the passion I have for my books. They are the thing that I love the most. Or for art, or for painting, or for feeling good, or for helping someone. There are so many ways to demonstrate love. So this never give up episode is take a break of whatever you're doing and make a list, or think everything that you love about art that makes you feel like you can't live without it. Because that is the highest expression of love, is loving yourself through your art and inspiring yourself, self-love, to become better. And I'm going to focus on Polly again, but also showing more drawings from my sketches. It has been a more realistic style now, because I'm starting to illustrate another book and I want to be less cartoonish. So Polly and friends, we'll meet lots of friends from Polly World. A great opportunity to show each one of them individually and what they love and dislike. Maybe you will identify yourself with one of the other characters more than you identify with Polly. We never know. They are very different, and they have strong personalities, so it will be fun to present them to you. I had a lot of fun painting this gem and the ribbon, because they are different materials, and I have to think that even the shadows and the highlights, they're going to be very important part of painting these two objects. They're different materials, but the shadows and the highlights help to create the shape of it. The gem looks a little bit 3D, sorry, and I can show what is behind and above and twisting in the ribbon just by adding the shadows. So this is really a nice exercise, like really relaxing and really nice to paint. Like I do those paths, those labyrinth mazes. I think I'm going to start making more of these. Don't forget to ask every possible reason why you love art and making art, or if it's not art, the thing that you love to do, cooking or baking or just whatever, but make a list of that. So in times when you start feeling an artist block or some kind of block or being a bit sad, you go back to that February love list and you find again the reasons, and you remember yourself why love is just not romantic, but is part of all the passion you put in everything you do and you feel good about yourself. I will be making an extra video this week to close Polly and Paws. It will be posted tomorrow, so it's again an watercolor illustration. In the meanwhile, I am adding 2 pages a day, free coloring pages that you can get. Here is an example of one of the pages. James printed it and painted it and showed it to me during the week, so it was a good surprise. You can go and get the rest of the 31. I'm still uploading, but I will keep up with it every day, and you can get them from thevioletwest.com. Go to the graphic novels section and you will find the pages there. Don't forget to subscribe to the website, The Violet West, so you can be part of my newsletter, news, contests, and sales and offers. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.